What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be installing Kswap axles on the Kswap DA. So here in the box are the set of Kswap axles. I believe these are insane shaft axles. I don't know how you can tell, but these came with the car when I bought them. So this is the only label that's on the box. It says 92 to 2000 K series. Says it fits EG, EKDA, DCs. These are 32 millimeter axles. There's the right side and left side, of course. I guess any K-swap axles fit on a DA chassis. So let's get the car jacked up. This is my first time taking the wheels off the car. So I'm kind of curious to see what kind of suspension and what kind of goodies are on here, if there's any. Also, I do need to still install the half shaft. Hopefully this doesn't have to come back off when I put the header on, whenever I get it. All right, y'all, so it looks like I'm gonna have to go through the suspension because nothing is bolted on tight. Control arm's not bolted on tight. Let me see. Coilover is loose. What else? Tie rod's loose. I got the wrong nut on there. Let's see, ball joint's not on. Sway bar links looks to be intact. I'm gonna just run through and do a bolt check on everything. We gotta install the brake line still. But yeah, let's focus on getting this axle in. But we do got some nice parts on here. I'm not sure what brand camera kit this is, but this looks like maybe a True Heart. We got some K-Tune K2 coilovers, fully adjustable dampers, stock tie rods, energy suspension, sway bars, got a stainless steel brake lines with Willwood brakes. Willwood brake setup, caliper, brake pads, drill slotted rotors. Brake pads look like there's plenty of meat left. Let me see. Lower ball joint, I'm not sure if that's OEM. It looks OEM. But yeah, let's get this axle in. Guess I'll start off with the lower ball joint. God damn. All right, y'all. So I got the axle tight, axle nuts tight. I didn't stake it yet because I'm gonna revisit this later. I got the upper control arm bolt tightening back up with a cotter pin. Same thing with the lower ball joint. I got the brake line in. I'm gonna have to still gotta install it onto the brake booster delete master. This I left loose because I want to make sure this is nice and even. So I'm gonna revisit this later. But all the suspension is now tightened. Doesn't move at all anymore. Still gotta bleed the brakes, so I'm gonna keep this up in the air and we're gonna go to the other side. All right, y'all, got the half shaft in. I'm hoping I'll have to pull this back off whenever we get the new header in. I still haven't decided what header to run yet, but we got about this much room, about the size of my hand, to fit a header in there. Hopefully I don't have to pull this back off, but I just want to get all the parts off my floor and have them installed. But if anything, we'll have to pull it back off, pull the half shaft back off and the axle back off. So next thing I'm gonna do, pull the wheel off and slide the axle in. All right, y'all, so I got the passenger side done, the axle is in. We'll need to replace this tie rod, the boot's leaking. We'll have to replace this ball joint, that's leaking as well. I'm not gonna do it right now. I got all the bolts tightened up with cotter pins, got the axle tightened up. So this is pretty much done. The axles are in. The next thing I'm gonna do is remove the exhaust. It's a 2.5-inch custom exhaust. I think I'm gonna put that on the DB2 because the exhaust on there right now is the stock one. All right, YouTube, so this is going to be the end of the video. I did confirm that these axles are insane shaft axles. They're rated for 500 horsepower. I didn't have any problems putting the axles in. Everything fit fine and perfect. But unfortunately, you know, the car's not running, so I wouldn't be able to let you know how they perform. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I know it's just a short video, but progress has been done, and there's one less thing I have to do. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.